Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to Baking with Zach. We're gonna make biscuits. You're gonna wanna set your oven for 400 degrees. It's gonna bake 15 to 20 minutes. I choose about 18 minutes or so, depending on your oven. We're gonna take a cup of flour, a teaspoon baking soda and a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, tablespoon sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. We're gonna stir that in together to combine it well. And now we're gonna do a twist on the biscuits. Instead of heavy cream, we're gonna use eggnog. Maybe wondering, how do I get eggnog this time of year? I have my sources. So we're gonna add it all in. Gotta put that together and we're gonna stir it. It's gonna be a very sticky dough. Stir it until it comes together. And you're gonna wanna make about 4 biscuits. The eggnog will actually add a little good flavor to it if it's like for a dessert, like a dessert type biscuit. On your pan, you don't need to spray it. You can if you want, but we're gonna just add it on. About maybe 1 right here, 1 right here, and 1 or 3. It just depends on how much you'd like to make. We're gonna actually make the 3. They don't have to be well proportioned. They can look a little messy. It kind of gives it a interesting look. Not your normal biscuits. Just make sure they are well together. And now we'll put them in the oven. The biscuits just came out of the oven. Here they are. They're out of this world. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.